Hey friends, let's practice some easy English conversations with Tom and Anna.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Tom. What's your name? My name is Tom. What's your name?
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 10 years old. How about you? I'm 10 years old. How about you?
How are you today? How are you today?
I'm happy. How about you? I'm happy. How about you?
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
I love blue. What about you? I love blue. What about you?
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
I love pizza. It's so yummy. I love pizza. It's so yummy.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to draw pictures. And you? I like to draw pictures. And you?
Do you go to school? Do you go to school?
Yes, I love learning new things. Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cute dog. Yes, I have a cute dog.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Bye-bye. Nice talking to you too. Bye-bye.